tutorial for Autodesk Revit. So in our first one we had discussed how to use file command and how to place windows and doors and how to place walls in your system. So basically in this tutorial we will go with all other user interface commands. This one is used for placing component in your drawing. This one is used for making structure or architectural columns in your drawing. This one is used for placing roof by footprint, roof by extrusion, roof by face. This one is used for ceiling. This one is used for placing architectural floor, structural floor, and floor by face. This one is used for curtain systems, for making curtains in your interior and exterior walls. And this one is used for curtain grade. This one is used for mullion. This one is used for railing, for stairs, and for interior for balcony railing as well. And this one is used for making ramp. This one is used for making stairs. And these are all used for annotating your file in Revit. And this one is used for room command. Room command is basically the representation of your drawing, and for placing the tags on your rooms and defining that room for a specific for a specific purpose, or for a specific place, or I would say labeling your space in your drawing. This is the room separator. This is used for tagging room, and this one is used for creating an area, or creating an area, or you want to measure an area by this command. This one is used for tag area. These all will be used for openings in your drawing. First one is by shaft, first one is by face, second one is by shaft, third one is walls, and fourth one is vertical opening, fifth one is dormer. Datum, this one is used for level, for making levels of your drawing, or for making the different floor stories of your drawing. This one is used for grid, and this one is used for showing work plane, and this one is used for viewer. And this one is the floor plan. These are all basic settings that we will be using in our drawing, in making our model. This one is the graphics, and this one is the underlay, this one is the extent, this one is identity data, this one is tracing. And this one is basically the hierarchy of your all project browser is basically the hierarchy of your all project that you will be using or doing in your system. Second tab is structural tab. In this tab, this will be used by structural engineer, or I would say civil engineer, or for making structural designs in your drawing. First one is beam, second one is wall structural, third one is column, fourth one is structural floor, fifth one is truss, brace and beam system, fourth one is connection of your beams. These are used for foundation, for isolated footing, for wall footing, and for slab footing. Rebars, this one is used for structural rebars, for making walls, or for making rings, or for making pillars in your system, in your drawing. This one is used for area, and all other technique and all other these symbols will be used for placing rebars and the basic commands in your structural drawing. This one is used for placing component, and all other are the same that we had discussed in our architectural tab as well. So basically this is the steel. When you want to make connection in steel, when you want to make connection in plate, these are basically all the settings that we will be using for steel frames in our drawing. Systems, this one is used for ducting and for plumbing drawing in your project. And the basic settings that we will be using for we will be using in our drawing. Insert tab is a very beneficial tab when you want to import a CAD model or CAD plan in your drawing, then this would be very beneficial for you. This one is the import CAD. You can directly import your CAD file in Revit model. You can insert from a file. You can import a PDF file, you can import an image file, you can manage images, or you can load a family in this model as well. This one is annotate, is used for annotating or labeling all your drawings in your command in your plan, or for labeling your plan. This one is very beneficial for you. And important one is massing and site. When you want to make a model of your site, then this would be very beneficial for you. You can make a site model, you can make a surface, a topographical surface in this, and you can make a floor plans, you can make a walls, and this will also be used for making exterior models of your site, or for making conceptual models of your site. So basically these are all the basic user interface settings that we will be using in our Revit model. And this one is a view tab. When you want to this one is used for making renderings, or for making details, or I would say submission plans or submission drawings in your Revit model. Because these are basically the settings that will be used for professionally for making details and the detailed layouts of your drawings, or for making working drawings, or for making submissions. This one is manage tab, that is add-ins. This one is modify. This is basically all the user interface initial settings in Revit, and I had shown you the basic setting in the initial user interface of Autodesk Revit 2020 version. And that is all. Allah Hafiz. Hope it would be beneficial.